Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our series of videos in which we are developing the dashboard and showing the activities which are due activities per week or different pattern, right? So, but a common database is serving all the users. In our previous video, we showed you that by sending a simple email request to the dashboard email address. So the users are Gulmargan, which is in front of you. This account was created, and then some transactions was passed on it, and a backup was done, right? And uh, in this video, we will try restoring. First of all, we take a backup of a user, uh, and then we perform some transaction, and then we restore the same user, right? So effect of the performing of the transaction will be eliminated due to restoring a previous backup, right? So let me take you to the email which I'm going to use as a template. So this is as nearest to template in which we have this Jen Morgan's user ID available, and and uh, we do a transaction. Okay, do the transaction. Say okay, and we remove from the subject unnecessary characters, and here we clear that. One thing we can do that we do not have to always remove the unnecessary characters in it, and this can be done. We can do this without doing any change in that. The program should still be able to run. Means so for the moment we leave it like this, and later on we will do the value addition in this. So this is, for example, the transaction that by entering 8, we are telling that the user has performed 8 days of backlog activity, right? Has been performed, which are the activities which are not performed, they will be marked as performed, and 8 days, right? Okay, so we send it to the Outlook. This will reach to the Outlook in the folder, and in the folder you will see it will be directly moved. It will be moved directly to the right folder, and yeah, here it reaches, and then the Excel will start automatically working. So it keeps watching if there's any incoming email. So Jim Morgan is and 8 days which were overdue, they have now been performed, and the performance is being reported through the email that this is the performance done, right? So the next thing we do is let's do the backup. We take you to the backup. So if we so Jim Morgan, we may need this part for a backup purpose, right? So we go to any of that email which is for backup. This one, yeah, this is backlog, this is backup, right? Okay, and this is already having right. Okay, so we use it as a template, and we edit the subject, right? We remove it. Sometimes we will do this that we do not have to without removing this one. It should work, and it will work. Don't worry. So what we do here is not gold. This is Jin Morgan, I think. What we are interested in doing is the Jin Morgan. So this is I'm sorry. So this is the right code for the user. The user which we are interested in taking the backup is this. Okay, and so okay, we remove this extra back space also, just to be on safe side. Otherwise, yeah, space is itself a character, and it may cause a difference while you are having an extra character leading spaces like this, huh? So that may cause problems. So it's always good to remove unwanted spaces in the end, right? So here, this is how we are requesting the dashboard to not goal. It is Jin. I'm sorry. It is actually this is the right one, Jin moment. Now, this is the right address. Okay, so this is going to be backed up, and we send the backup request to the dashboard. It will be received, and it will be the action will be taken automatically by Excel. We'll see it will start working as soon as it reaches here. So it is watching. If the email is arriving in here, it has already arrived. Now it will, within 45 seconds, the system will start acting upon the request. The action will be taken. You will see that email is being composed and the action is being taken. Yeah. So it took 45 seconds, which are changeable. You can change it to 40 or 30 or even more. You can take it 1 minute, 40 seconds or whatever. So it takes the backup. Now, since recently we had taken a backup also, so there are multiple backups for Jin Morgan. You can see it in the email which is coming. Yeah. So this is a new email should come here. Mm. And that should tell that you have got new email. Okay, that may be in the, I'm sorry, inbox. So, so the email will always go uh, to the address which is mentioned in this Jin Morgan email address is this one. So you got to go to the Gmail, and in the Gmail you will find this. So let's see where is the latest email which is shown. Yeah, this is the message. This is the email which has just arrived 1 minute ago, and that tells you the backups which are currently available for restoring are mentioned below. So which backups do you have? Is there much? So these are the backups which are available. Okay, so you can restore using this command. Yeah, so say 10th of October backup be restored, for example, if you want them to be restored. So you copy it, you go to the sent mail, and you go to the restore template. This is the restore template, and here you will edit the subject. Yeah, it takes you to this look, and here we paste it. Said we want this backup to be restored, but for which user? The user is Morgan. Mm. Morgan. This is the user. Control C. And this is okay. That's it. The rest of everything we delete. We remove this space, and we send it to the dashboard. The email is going. It will reach to the uh, uh, mm, folder. It will be moved to the folder automatically due to the existence of the rule. The rule has been written for it to move all such messages to this folder. And this folder is under watch. And Excel will start within 45 seconds. Excel will start acting upon this, and it has started. Right? It has done it, and it has restored. It has restored this, and it has placed it back. The revised graph, the chart revised report has been created, and it is being sent back to the user. That after the restoring, your latest status is that you have that much due, that much have been performed, and this is overdue. So these all are done by the users having no direct access to the Excel, no need to have any Microsoft Access knowledge of that. All they need to have the email, use their email and send these commands and create their users and take the actions, right? So if you go and see Jin Morgan's restoring, so you will see an email arriving in the inbox. It has arrived, new email, and which talks about the restoring. It says that your 10th October 2025 backup has been restored. The restoring has been actioned, and backups are currently available by us. Okay, so this is how it is done, and you can see this. So this is the latest picture. Next one, and this is, you can see this. Okay. Okay, so these are the same. On the backups which are currently available for restoring are mentioned below. We will copy the process so that the backup dates are reprinted here. That we will do for sure. Okay, but at least it has action the restoring, and it has given the revised report, latest report after having restored all the backup, all the desired backup, and what is the situation, what is the status. So that is regenerated and sent back to the user. So this covers most of the things. There are some other activities commands also, which we will show you, the like unperforming or rollback or etc. So that can also be done by the users by simply sending the commands to the user and to the dashboard, and the system will automatically act upon the request. Right. Okay. Thank you very much for watching.